Hello students, today we will discuss some example of exercise 2.3. The first example is find 2 by 3 of 81. It can be written as 2 by 3 of 81 divided by 1. 2 by 3 of means multiply 81 divided by 1. 3 27s are 81. 3 ones are 3, 3 27s are 81. 2 multiply 27 and 1 multiply 1 divide by 1 and divide by 1 and 2 multiply 27 is equal to 54. Second example is 1 by 4 of a rupees. 1 by 4 of a rupees means 100 paise. We know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So it can be written as a rupees 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 by 4 multiply 100 divided by 1 paise. Now we multiply 1 multiply 100 divide by 4 multiply 1. 4 multiply 1 4. 1 divide 100 100 divided by 4 paise. Now we will divide 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. The answer is 25 paise. The next example is 7 by 25 of a kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And 7 by 25 of a gram and 7 by 25 of a gram means 1000 gram. And 7 by 25 of means multiply 1000 gram. 7 multiply 1000, 25 multiply 1. 7 multiply 1000, 7000 divided by 25 kilogram. Now divide 7000 divided by 25. The answer is 280 gram. The next example is 3 by 4 of 36 or 4 by 5 of 35. Which is greater? 3 by 4 of 36. Now we will take 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 multiply 36 divided by 1. Of means multiply. Now we will solve 3 multiply 36 and 4 multiply 1 divided by 4. 3 multiply 36 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. 3 multiply 9. 3 multiply 9 27. Now we will take this 4 by 5 of 35. 4 by 5 of means multiply 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 4 sevens are 28. Now, which is greater? 28 is greater 27. 4 by 5 of 35 is greater than 3 by 4 of 36. This is the answer. The next is Vishakha reads a book for 4 by 5 hours every day. She reads the entire book. Entire means complete book in 10 days. How many hours in all does she take to repeat the book? That means Visakha read a book. Visakha read a book for 4 by 5 hours every day, and she reads a complete book in 10 days. How many hours in all does she take to read the book? Solution: in one day she reads for 1:4 by 5 hours. It can be written as 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 5 hours. And now 10 days she read 4. 9 by 5 multiply 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 9 twos are 18 hours. In 10 days she read for 18 hours, and thus she take 18 hours to read the book. This is the answer of this example. Now next example is Shikha is age of 2 by 5th. 2 by 5th of the age of her elder brother. Elder means big brother. If her brother is age is 35 years, then how old is Shikha? According to this question, Shikha is age. Shikha is age 2 by 5 of the age of her elder brothers. Means 2 by 5 of the age of her elder brothers means 2 by 5 of means multiply her brother is age 35 year. Now 2 by 5 multiply 35 year. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 2 multiply 7, 14 year. Now thus Shikha is 14 year old. Next example is find the perimeter and the area of square field whose side is 5:1 by 4 meter long. Find perimeter and area of a square field, and whose side is given 5:1 by 4 meter long. Each side of the square is 5:1 by 4. It can be written as 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 by 4 meter. Each side of the square 21 by 4 meter. We know that all sides of the squares are equal. So side is 21 by 4 meter, 21 by 4 meter, 21 by 4 meter and 21 by 4 meter. And now we will find the perimeter of the square. We know that the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 multiply side. 4 multiply side is given 21 by 4 meter and 21 by 4 meter. 4 ones are 4 and 21 by meter. This is the answer. The area, perimeter of the square is 21 meter. Now area of square. Area of square, the formula is side multiply side. Side is given 21 by 4 meter. 21 by 4 meter multiply 21 by 4 meter. Square meter. The unit is used in area square meter. 21 by 4 multiply 21 by 4 square meter. 21 multiply 21 441. 4 multiply 4 16 square meter. Now we will divide 441 divided by 16. 16 twos are 32. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. Now we will take 1. 16 sevens are 112. 11 minus 2, 9. 9 is remainder. And the quotient is 27. We change in mixed fraction. Quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 27, remainder is 9 and divisor is 16. This is the answer. And perimeter of the square is 21 meter and the area is 27:9 by 16 square meter. And next example is Vinay covers 7 by 2 kilometer in 1 hour, and how much distance will be covered in 4:4 by 5 hours. 7 by 2 kilometer. It can be written as 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 by 2 kilometer and 4:4 by 5 hours. It can be written as 14 by 5 hours. Distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour 7:1 by 2. It can be written as 15 by 2 kilometer. 15 by 2 kilometer. And distance covered in 14 by 5 hours. It can be written as 15 by 2 multiply 14 by 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 3 multiply 7, 21 kilometer. Ants Vinay will cover 21 kilometer in 2 4/5 hour. Vinay covered a distance in 21 kilometer in 2 4/5 hours. Thank you.